Wiśnia. Eurokrem.
Krem wiśnia.
Krem wiśnia.
Ja mogu da presečem na pola i...
Samo manje krema, dosta.
That's like the hazelnut one, right?
That's the hazelnut spread, but I want that one because it's less sweet than Nutella.
Oh, okay.
And I also told her that's a third of what they usually put.
So they usually put more than that.
Cijela.
Odmah.
Odmah. And this is sour cherry. Dosta. I find they put way too much stuff.
It's too fat, yeah?
Yeah. You'll see people put like 6 things on it. Including the chocolate like this.
So that's it, that's yours right there.
That's mine. So you're up next. What would you like?
Well, one of the meats, what's that one there? That's like pork? The third one over. That looks like pork, right? Like ham?
All pork.
So maybe that?
Yeah. That's neck. That's like a dry neck.
Mm-hmm. The red stuff we were talking about? The tomato?
Tomato.
What else do we have?
I don't know. This is unibes. It's a mix of sour cream and a whole bunch of paprika and
Yeah, let's try that.
something else. Yeah.
And maybe the other meat, those two meat right there, that's it.
Those two meats?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you do the salad.
Do they put onions on it at all? No, eh?
No. Would you want onions? That would be weird. But
Yeah. No, let's go with the tomato. Tomato and cucumber.
Okay. Halo. I Ivor. Ivor sen. Okay. Paradise i krastavac. Ruski su samo.
Kačkava ne ide, ne?
Do you want cheese? Like,
Yeah, why not?
okay, možeš prešpati.
Oh, que massa.
This way you put last.
Oh, shame. Oh, guy, that is massive. Thank you. I'm gonna struggle. These are pies that you would have for breakfast here in Serbia. And that's what we're doing this morning. There's sweet and savory. The one we're going for is, there's one with pork and there's one with vanilla, like a vanilla pudding. It was right here, but there's none right now.
Kilogram i 400 za kolenicu. Kilogram i 400 za kolenicu.
Definitivno je good.
Hoćete vam svako ovo slatko da nosi sveća malo na sitnije ili samo da ostane tako pa da dodam?
Može, ide tako nešto.
Ovako? A i na četvrtine može. Kako je to?
Kanada. A rodom sa Trinidada.
I guess here you would find all the main brands, because I'm seeing Lacoste, Steve Madden, Aldo.
This is the place to be in the mall.
Oh, okay. These are all homemade pickles, and the tradition is you get all these pickles ready for the winter season. We stumble upon a little cultural festival here. Look, we got people singing up there. Kind of whining. They don't seem to be too happy, man. These are the traditional, look how no move. Alright, we're dancing right now, but the traditional earthenware here that they would make traditional food and cooking. So, and these, my guy selling his homemade wines here. You can sample. And what Bonnie was saying, well, there's a TV interview going on over here as well too, but well, look at that, a lot of cheeses, cakes. But Bonnie was telling me that back there is a bean dish. It's very traditional. I didn't get a chance to go in and take a look at it though. These guys are just bubbling away, man. Oh my god. It's just a beautiful day out there. It's probably about 28 degrees with a slight little, well, it is a little bit windy. Nice cool wind. Chestnuts everywhere on the floor here. Beautiful view of the river. People are still out and about boating. It's the end of September. Still beautiful weather out here. This fortress, it's free. You just walk in and out as you want. It's kind of neat. Make it open to the public, give them access to it. I'm not trying to constantly make a dollar. Wow, we're high up, man. Down there, that's the King's Gate we just came through, so we came from that direction over there. Just out of the outdoor military museum now, and we've got all these different anti-aircraft guns, little tanks and stuff like that. Got a big one here. Got some more over on this side. We got some like modern day rockets. It's like the only modern thing is this one here. Everything else is a little bit prehistoric. Yeah. So this here is what a line mine looks like. A big naval war movie kind of guy. So this is interesting to see firsthand. We go through the bushes here. Oh, what are these? Like little torpedoes?
Torpedoes, man.
Wow.
And these are the proper torpedoes.
Got a little stubby one there too. Oh, look at the length on this beast.
That's your standard torpedo. Interesting thing about these torpedoes is that only about a third or quarter is actually charged. Everything
Fuel?
else is for batteries. They're electric usually.
Oh, okay. There's
So
a tiny one inside there too, huh?
Electric powered. This,
The modern ones are nuclear though, right?
no, the modern ones are electric as well.
Electric as well.
Yeah. So this is the machinery that sits on the boat.
To shoot.
Mounted on top of the boat, and you have 3 torpedoes in there, and you can rotate this whole machinery. You can rotate.
Oh, well, just garbage in there now.
Of course.
Why would they do that, man? Oh, people, humans. Why you guys so?
And then you fire overboard.
Yeah.
So this is to give you the angle, so it's not the same as the ship angle. So this is what.
More anti-aircraft guns. More tanks. Oh, that one looks kind of cool. I'm surprised you guys could see it because it's camouflage. There's a tank there, right? It's all camouflage. Oh, word, man, my stupid jokes. Time for a coffee and water. A lot of walking, man. The buildings that you see there, they're all communist era buildings, which is fairly unique because you don't have them anymore anywhere else in Serbia. Everything is being torn down and stuff like that, but we're on the river. Just working our way down. These are all the waterfront restaurants and stuff like that. There's a beautiful church all the way out there. It's one of the river boats there. The ones that cruise the Rhine and Danube and stuff like that. And one of the many bridges we will cross, well, we'll go under, but in and out of Belgrade. So peep this for a second. The restaurant we're going to is across the river there, so we've got to jump down there, grab a little ferry, go across there. I think you can see those people getting off there, and then head to the restaurant on that side. Oh, name of the restaurant? There we go.
Jeff was, out of all food, he liked the peppers.
So my first
the most,
course is,
right?
of course, a nice
Ivan
garden salad.
and peppers.
And then we got some peppers over here. Got some white wine. I ended up with the grilled grouper. The lighting kind of bites up in here, but look at the monster Bonnie got, man. Yo, that looks prehistoric, all right, Bonnie? I'm just saying. And we got these little, what's it, lamb and veal sausages, right?
Cevapi.
Cevapi.
Yeah.
What's the serve? Oh, French fries.
Yep.
Man, this is awesome. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.